Faceless videos. They're quite popular nowadays. Faceless videos. What's that? A faceless video is a type of video content where the creator's face is not shown on camera. This is common for people creating tutorials, demos, and other screen-recorded content. Okay, so why would you prefer creating a faceless video over something where you can show your pretty face? There are actually a lot of good reasons. First, you want people to focus on the content itself without distractions. Or, you don't want to be bothered by the need for camera setups, lighting, on-screen performances because that's time-consuming and can be expensive too. Or maybe for you, it's simply awkward and you're just not comfortable showing yourself on cam. Period. Alright, point taken. So what's the easiest, most effective way to create high-quality faceless videos? Good news is, there's a Windows app that's so easy to use, it gives you the freedom to create high-quality screen recordings with or without a webcam, and it's called Canvid. All you have to do is use Canvid without a webcam and start recording your content. When done, you'll see that Canvid has automatically added high-quality zooms and smooth cursor movements to your video, making it absolutely beautiful to watch. And there's a whole lot of other easy-to-use features to customize your videos too. Want to know more? Don't forget to like and subscribe, visit canvid.com and try it for yourself.